Good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at your places. So, children, in our previous video, we have started our new chapter from your New Voices book. That is chapter 5, The Curious Baby Elephant. Okay, this chapter, The Curious Baby Elephant, or you can say this story, is written by Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling, one of his famous work is The Jungle Book. You have seen cartoons, movies about this Jungle Book, right? So in our previous video we have already discussed new words, word meaning and make sentences, and half of the chapter we have already read. So I now let's take a quick glance and then we will start. Okay, so children, this story, The Curious Baby Elephant, is origin of how elephant got that long nose, or you can say long trunk. Okay, this story is set at the time when elephant used to have a very small nose, as small as boots, right? So in this story there is a baby elephant who is very curious. Okay, he is very eager to know whatever is happening around him. He wants to know whatever he hear, whatever he felt, okay, whatever he see, he wants to know like everything. So he is very curious. He has like endless list of questions. So whomsoever he met, he asks different questions from them. Okay, so because of this behavior of that curious baby elephant, his friends, his mother and uncle and aunt are like very annoyed. Okay, because sometimes he asks like way too much questions which really annoys them, and sometimes his mother used to spank him, right? Spank him, hitting lightly. So one day he suddenly wants to know that what crocodile had for dinner. He wants to know like anyhow that what crocodile had for dinner. So one day he met the kolo kolo bird and he asked with kolo kolo bird that what crocodile had for dinner. So kolo kolo bird told him that okay, if you want to know the answer, what you have to do, you have to go to the Limpopo river. If you will go there, then only you will get your answer. So he took this challenge and he traveled for like whole 1 week. Okay, he carried all the stuffs which he needed in his way, on his way. So he carried all the things like bananas, sugarcane, melons with him. Okay, and like somehow after 1 week he reached the Limpopo river, and there he met crocodile, right? And crocodile, when he directly asked crocodile that what you had for dinner. So crocodile told him that okay, you come closer, then I will tell you. So the moment he get closer to the crocodile, what crocodile do? He caught his nose. Okay, crocodile caught him by his nose. Now what will happen, children? Now we will read. Okay, I think, said the crocodile, and he said it between his teeth like this. I think today I will begin with you, elephant's child. Now you can see that crocodile has like some other thoughts going on his mind. Okay, so he has some other thing going on his mind. So the elephant's child knew he was in big trouble. Now he knows that crocodile will not tell him the answer that what he had for dinner. Instead he will eat elephant child. Instead he will eat him. So now the elephant's child know that he is in like a great trouble. Okay, so he sat back on his haunches and he pulled and pulled. Haunches means the back portion of the body. Okay, so he sit back on his haunches and he pulled and pulled. Okay, the crocodile splashed in the water and pulled and pulled. Now they both started pulling. What? Crocodiles caught him by his nose, so started pulling his nose, and he also getting far away from crocodile so that he could save himself. That in that process, what was happening? His nose was getting stretched. Okay, his nose was getting pulled. So both of them pulled and pulled, and the elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. Okay, at last the crocodile let go. So when crocodile know that okay, now I will not be able to eat him, as baby elephant is also very strong, so at last he got very tired and he left his nose. Okay, he just left it. So because of that pulling, that nose start getting stretching. Okay, it gets stretched. So finally he just let it go. Okay, crocodile just let it go, and the moment he let go, what happened, that whole nose got buffed in the elephant's face. So the elephant felt the pain. Okay, so right on his big weight, and the elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. At last the crocodile let go, puffed. Okay, so you have seen now, when we stretch something, when we lose it, what will happen, it just buff. So fell the elephant right on his big broad back, elephant's broad back. So he looked at his nose. When he looked at his nose, he could not see where it ended. So in the process of this pulling and pulling, what happened, his nose got like very stretched. It has become like very long. So when he saw his nose, he was like, oh my god, where my nose is ending, he cannot see the end. So it was like so long. He could swish it around, but it hurt him awfully. So he wrapped the nose in cool banana leaves and waited for it to shrink. So his nose got like very long, and it was hurting him. Okay, it was hurting him. So what he did, he just wrapped his nose in the cool banana leaves, and he just waited for his nose to get shrink. Okay, he wants his nose to go back to the real position, how it used to be. So he waited and waited, but nothing happened. He could still swish it all around. At the end of the third day, a fly came and stung him on the shoulder. And before he knew what he was doing, he lifted up his trunk and hit that fly dead with the end of it. Okay, so like he waited for the 3 days, but nothing happened, nothing was changed. His nose was long only. Okay, his nose didn't get shrink, but it was long only. So like he waited for 3 days, but nothing happened. His nose was long. Okay, so at the end of the third day, one fly came and stung, was about to stung him on the shoulder. And the moment he felt that, he used his that long nose, which is known as trunk, and he hit the fly, and the fly dead. Okay, see, in this pulling process, his nose, his trunk got stretched. Okay, then he said to himself, this seems to be a useful thing. He felt better now and hungry too. He put out his long nose and plucked a large bundle of grass, dusted it clean against his forelegs, and stuffed it into his mouth. So after like 3 days, he got to know that this trunk, this long nose, is very useful. Okay, he found out that this is a very useful thing. Now he started feeling better, and when he was hungry, he, with the help of his long nose, with that long trunk, he is able to pluck a large bundle of grass. Okay, and then he can feed himself. Now plucking the grasses is very easy for him, right? Or plucking anything becomes very easy for him because of that long trunk. So now he found out that this long nose, this long trunk is a very useful thing. So he found that he could easily pluck the fruit of the tree instead of waiting for it to fall. Now he need not to wait for fruits to fall down from the tree, but instead he can now pluck the fruit, pluck the grasses, pluck the branches, whatever he wants to eat, he can pluck it because of his long trunk, right? So he was able to pluck anything and feed himself. So now he was happy that his new nose was turning out to be quite useful. He went back to his family and had a jolly time spanking his brothers and sisters with his new trunk. When the other elephants could bear it no longer, they all went to the crocodile to get new nose just like his. So thanks to the very curious elephant's child, all the elephants today have long trunks. So slowly he found out that the trunk, this long nose, is very useful. Okay, so when he went back to his family, he used to spank his little brothers and sisters using that new trunk. So all the elephants now like got very jealous of him. So they also do not want that small nose. So what they do, they all went to the crocodile and they also want the same nose, the same long nose or trunk like the baby elephant. So thanks to that curious baby elephant, all elephants today have long trunk. Long trunk. Okay, children? See. So in this way he got the long trunk. Okay, and it came out like very useful. That pulling result came out very useful for the baby elephant and the other elephants. Okay, so children, what you learn from this story? See, as I have told you, being curious is not a bad thing, not at all a bad thing. Curiosity is a good thing, because if a child is curious, that means he wants to learn something new, that means he wants to know something, right? But being too much curious can get you into trouble. Okay, just the way this curious baby elephant, he also got in trouble. What would happen if he would not be able to save himself? Then that crocodile would have ate him on the dinner, right? So but everything went well, right? But because of his curiosity, he got long nose, trunk, right? So being too much curious is not a good thing. Okay, it might be sometime, it might can caught you, make you in trouble. Okay, but being curious is not a bad thing. Okay, if you are curious, that means you want to know something. Okay, you want to learn new things. So being curious is okay, good, but being too much curiosity is not good. Okay, so there your chapter is ended, children. So read this chapter twice, thrice. Okay, read it, and as I have told you, new words, word meaning, and make sentences, you all have to write in your fair notebook. I hope you all are doing it, and you have to learn it. Okay, while making make sentences, you have to make, or you can make your own sentences. Okay, now here let's discuss this small exercise. Okay, so state true or false. First one, the elephant's child was very curious. Is it true or false? The elephant's child was very curious. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. That baby elephant was very curious. The baby elephant was very curious. He wants to know whatever is happening around him. He wants to know like everything. So baby elephant was very curious. Okay, so the statement is true. Second, long ago elephants had small noses. Long ago elephants had small noses. True or false? Yes, true, because long ago elephants had very small noses. So the statement is true. C, all the other elephants went to the crocodile to get longer noses. All the other elephants went to the crocodile to get longer noses. Is it true or false? True. Yes, because seeing that baby elephant's trunk, everybody got like very jealous. So everybody wants that long trunk, that long nose, because the trunk is a very useful thing. So they all want. So the statement is true. Last one. The baby elephant thought that his new nose was quite useless. The baby elephant thought that his new nose was quite useless. Is it true or false? False, because baby elephant thought, or he found out that his long nose is quite useful, not useless. Okay. So children, now this chapter, the curious baby elephant, is over. Okay, finished. And question answers I will be sharing in PDF form. Okay. So children, read the chapter twice or thrice. Okay. And this new words, make sentences, word meaning, write it down in your fair notebook. Okay. Sai Ram.